How would you find the percent composition of that scoop in terms of strawberry flavored jelly beans?
Divide the strawberry jelly bean mass divided, oh my gosh, 3.5 divided by 15.
Okay, almost.
And
Who said that?
The
Times it by 100. So the percent would be
70%.
the percent strawberry would be equal to 3.5 grams divided by 50 grams times, let's say it's 50 with a decimal, times 100%, which is 70%. 7%, sorry. 7.0%. So he's not a happy camper. That's not very much strawberry jelly beans. It's those darn cherry ones that got in there too. Percent means parts per 100 parts, or the whole shebang. So percent is the part of what you're looking at for the whole thing. So this is one way to do it. If you're not given actual masses, you're going to use molar masses. So, what is the percent calcium in calcium nitrate? So for this, what you would do is you would take the molar mass of calcium, which is how much? How many calciums are in the compound? 1. So multiply that by 1. All over the molar mass for the entire compound. So 40.08 plus 2 times nitrogen plus 6 times 16. So you take the molar mass of your element divided by the molar mass of the compound times by 100%. So what do you get? Yeah.
I got some paint on my lab text.
4.60 grams times 100%. 25? Exactly? Or are you doing this by your...
Wait, no, 3.
I did not mean to have, I was, I'm an idiot. I just have
What'd you get? 30.4?
30.44. Yeah. It's 44. Yes, I do.
Thank you. Okay. For 3B,